Hello, YouTube fam. I just got done filming an amazing MAC lipstick swatch video, so definitely check it out. If it's already up, I will link it here. And now that that is done, I thought I'll just quickly come and show you guys what all supplements I take for my skin. It's a lot of information to take in, so I'm also learning. I'm also in the learning process, but I just thought I'll come and share it with you guys. Sometimes क्या होता है कि in our food all the nutritions are not enough, so sometimes we lack iron, sometimes magnesium, calcium, ये सारे चीजें lack होती है. So I will suggest you go and get a blood test done and see what deficiency you have. Like I have calcium deficiency, I have vitamin D deficiency, iron, magnesium. All of these supplements are mandatory for my health. So I will just suggest you go and get yourself checked first, and then you can go and take supplements. So right now what I'm going to do is just share with you guys all the supplements that I've been taking currently. You don't have to run and go and buy them all right now, and you don't even have to buy the exact brand and everything. I got all of these from Nika. You can actually get a cheaper versions of these from a regular medical store. Like I take HK Vitals का biotin for my hair, but biotin वैसे भी आपको medical shop में मिल जाता है. So you do you. I'm just showing you what all I take, like what collagen I take, what supplements I take, and you can pick and choose whatever you want and whatever knowledge you can. I'm also in the learning process, so I'm just sharing with you guys what I know and what I'm taking. And I'm just walking around the room right now. Let me know if you guys want a tour. So yeah, I hope this information was helpful for you guys. If it was, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so these are the supplements I've been taking currently. So I'll just show you quickly what are those and which are the ones which is of utmost importance. So firstly, I have this one. This is the HK Vital multivitamin for women. Now, multivitamin is of course absolutely necessary, even if you are not working out, even if you are not doing anything, but still multivitamin is a must, because I feel like deficiency to hota hi hai. Like we don't get all the nutrition and all the vitamins daily food that we take. तो बहुत ही adulterated foods we get, so we don't get all the vitamins that are necessary. So this has got zinc, calcium, magnesium, iron. It has got copper, iodine. It has got a couple of different type of vitamins. So this multivitamin for women is absolutely necessary. So that is the first tablet I will highly recommend. Okay, next is this one. This is the HK Vitals Biotin. Now biotin is for your hair and nails. If you have hair fall issues, if you have like hair thinning issues, then you can go for this. And if your nails are very brittle and it breaks, then you can get yourself tested कि अगर आपका biotin levels low है, then is the supplement for this one. मेरा low है इसलिए मैं लेती हूँ. अगर आपका low नहीं है, then you can skip on this one. This is what I take for hair, and it looks like this. It has this dark green color. Next supplement that I will highly recommend is a omega-3. Now you can go for any brand. This is from Wow Life Science. Omega-3 is very important. You can opt for a vegan version as well. This is a fish oil. This helps in multiple things. It helps in health, heart. It helps in strengthening your eyesight. It'll help with your bone health, joints, pain, everything. So this is very important no matter what age you are in. और ये कुछ ऐसा लगता है, it's like a capsule. ये आपको फ्रिज में रखना पड़ता है, but a omega-3 is absolutely necessary. So that is that. I will highly recommend an omega-3 as well. The next two, which is very important, is calcium, zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D3. Now calcium तो आप लोग को, I'm sure you guys know, it's very necessary. So this is how the calcium tablet looks like. It's very necessary for women, especially because हम लोग का ना bone weak हो जाता है. So women who do not take, like I do not take milk or milk products, so for me a calcium tablet is absolutely necessary, and you can include this in your regular supplementary diets. This also has magnesium and zinc, which is again very important for your overall health. The next deficiency that I have is vitamin D3 and K2. This is vitamin D, again has got 2 in support with vitamin D plus K2. So this is not for everyone. Get yourself tested. If you have deficiency of vitamin D, then only you can take vitamin D. So I got myself tested, and that is why, and which is why my doctor recommended this one. So this too is from the Carbide Forte brand. ये मैं नायका से लिया. You can take whichever brand. You can go to the medical store and ask yourself to give you vitamin D tablet, calcium tablet, biotin tablet भी आपको medical shop में मिल जाएगा. So you can, it's not necessary you have to go for these brands. These I got from Nykaa. You can go for any brand. Even HK Vital का भी ये omega 3 भी आता है, so you can do that. Another thing which is very necessary for your skin, I feel like, is vitamin C. Now this is from the brand Ra. This is a doctor's brand. I leave the link of her Instagram. You can go and check her out. She's a very renowned dermat in Mumbai, so this is her brand. So I thought of buying it and trying it out. ये मैंने recently start किया taking the vitamin C. So let's see. I will update you guys on how this works for my skin, because this is very new and I recently started taking this. Before this I was taking something else. So this is how it looks like. It has got this green color. Now this has got a couple of things. It has got acerola extract, amla extract, grapefruit extract, orange peel, etc. It has got couple of vitamin C's. Again, all the details are written on the back. It has got couple of vitamin C sources. Also, if you want a natural source, मेरा एक drink है जो हल्दी और आमला वो सब mix करके बनता है. Please go and watch my what I eat in a day to lose weight vlog. उस पे मैंने दिया हुआ है. So I do take that, plus I take this tablet, so it helps me with my skin health. Next one is, again, it's not necessary, but this again I take for my skin. This is from Beauty Wise Skin Brilliance. This also has got a couple of skin loving elements. It has got glutathione, it has got L-ascorbic acid, which is again a vitamin C source. Now this is for somebody who has got uneven skin tone and you want to brighten your skin tone. You want, if you have acne marks, if you have pigmentation issues, dark spots, this is what will help you with this one. ये भी मैंने नया ही लेना start किया है. So once I finish all the tablets, I will able to review it for you guys. First of all, look at the tablet. This capsule looks so pretty. But this is purely for skin evening, like even tone skin, brighter skin tone. And this has got glutathione, as I told you. So this is like a supplementary for your skin health only if you have got pigmentation issues. So it's not a necessity, it's just something I'm doing for my skin. So you can skip on this one, and if you want a detailed review, I will do that after 1 month of using this product. So I feel this is very important for your skin, because with time skin loses elasticity, it loses its collagen production. So this is a collagen supplement. It's hydrolyzed marine collagen, and this is how it looks like. It just comes in this powder form. तो इसका मैं 1 tablespoon पानी में मिला के लेती हूँ. It also tastes very good. It has got this orange flavor. This in the long term will help you with your wrinkles. It will make your skin tighter. It will help with your collagen production, and collagen helps in skin elasticity and keeps your skin looking healthy and tighter for a longer time. Next, I take this daily greens. If you are somebody who does not include a lot of vegetables, you can take this. This is again not absolutely necessary. This is something I just started taking. This has got spinach, it has got fenugreek, wheatgrass, and a couple of other ingredients like aloe vera, ashwagandha. So it helps with immunity, it helps with a lot of things. It has got this lime flavor. So 1 tablet contains as much as vitamin B12 of 1 glass of milk, as much of iron as 2 cups of spinach, as much as vitamin B3 as this much amount of carrot, vitamin C as 4 oranges. So they have got a couple of amazing ingredients like fiber, zinc, vitamin B6, B5. So this 1 tablet can cure a lot of deficiency. So ये भी नया है. So I will again have finish the entire bottle, use it for a month, and then I will recommend कि ये मुझे help किया कि नहीं किया. So overall, these are all the supplements I've been taking. So the absolute necessary ones are, of course, a multivitamin, a calcium, magnesium, zinc, And for skin, you can take vitamin C, and you have to take omega 3 and collagen. So I hope this video was helpful. I am no expert, so you have to go and get yourself checked, and these are the ones I'm taking for myself. So I just thought of coming and sharing it with you guys. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions in the description box below.